Highly. Right, I hit this.
Yeah, man, they bring them forward. So we're gonna go on still. Check the people them and them tell you what they want. Money. You understand? Me tell the price them. Anything they want, just text me tell the price. Me have a next bag with some more touch with and sell for the next side, island, right? So you run off down and some run by next, right? Circle ends them when you know the people want them to buy because them sitting here. It's a movie, video, dance and them something there and them that are the future for Jamaica, you know. YouTube did that, people go want them thing here. So touch the road, me tell the price them, go through.
Alright. This look like it's a good deal. How much percentage? Huh?
Percentage you know where you go. For any sale you make, you get 30%.
Sound like a good deal.
Yeah, man. So we now sell chicken back, you know. The machine will go make a better. What's JAMMIWOOD? JAMMIWOOD, come!
Shitty, go on.
Oh, yeah. Why over there?
We work on the 18 green, brother.
Oh.
18 green love the brother. We work on them and deal with them.
Okay.
Yeah.
They want to take care of now, like, if our time to dry.
No, man, we do deal with them, man.
No reef surfacing.
Yeah.
Yo, me did it. Oh, man. Long time we don't see I know. Where are you?
Yeah, man, go on.
Yo, foreign they just get land, you know. I tell you.
Foreign, they just get land.
No, man, don't worry about that. Them are just land from foreign. You know, that's some things myself. Like, you some man, you always say you want to do YouTube. So, the perfect thing. Just touch it down.
So how much is this, sir?
I don't know, you have to call me, boss.
So you sell and you don't know the price?
You don't worry about that. The man say when time I sell, I know for me, you know. It's a bridge in myself, you know.
So much should I give me this, sir? But you don't have to call him. You can just
No, man.
give me this, sir, for the price. Or trust me.
Trust you, well, I'm talk to you.
So what you having? Let me see what you have.
Yeah, me G, you know, say me have one of my friends for a long time. Want to know the price for the camera. So, alright, but my general, you know, really have the money, you know, I'm one of my nigga, you know, my trusty. When you get the money?
Next week. Next week.
Alright. Next week, me trust him about that, next week. Me general.
Yeah, brother, you can trust me, brother. Yeah. You can trust me, brother.
Alright, me general, alright.
So, brother, you're going like saying, no, know me. Man, say, me and your cousin did there, you know. The little thief in one up here, yard, you know. Me and him did the member.
You know,
Yeah, brother, stop going like you don't know me, man. Me that take a camera and me that take one of them lighter too. That take the lighter too.
make sure next week you know, come. Do me a beg you know, cause you know love pain, you know, me a beg you, please.
Yo, you can trust me, father, man. As I say, now next week, man, don't worry yourself, man. Same place, same time next week. Same place. Right as you have to come. Right as so. Me now go there now next week. Same time, right as me there. You see me? Alright, man, say right as me live, you know. Right as me live. So you don't worry yourself, man. Your cousin still live up by yard there?
You well alright, you know.
Eh?
You well alright. Look at what.
Alright, now I say yes, I live now. You hear that? Remember, say yes, no.
I feel roadish.
D. Me feel like good I go up on the road. What you say about that? No say a word. Me have a one friend can link and get a piece of food. So me I get the food from him and call you. Yeah. So fix up yourself and stay tuned because I know it will come true for me. It will come true, man. I'm in general that as me call him, he just did it for me. See who's there. See who's there.
Hello.
What one?
Where are you dealing?
I'm not dealing with nothing, but me feel sick.
Go on to you.
Me back on me belly, I give me pay problem for all day, man. I don't want money for the doctor.
Alright, here, but most spring over coming on the money I had, most spring on my machine, and say me just want to put things come here, alright?
Alright then.
Okay, just pay a call me, you alright?
I don't know if I can call for you, because I don't know myself. Don't feel good.
So come, here, come on, no, move, me a forward.
No move, because I hardly can move.
Alright, you want water?
No, I'm not thirsty.
Alright, me just carry this that come, alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
If I love that man one more time, I shall be your wife. Wee!
Wagwan.
Come now.
Where do you know?
I don't feel so good, man. Back and belly hurt me.
You see me, I warn you. When you stay there, man, it's when I turn up in the can lick you, it's not long going to go feel in your back.
You know, no man.
See if I can go down, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm 7 grand.
This I can do.
A 3 grand for see the doctor. The next 4 grand can buy some medication them. So you might do differently from that now. So from what day I wonder if I go in the car, you right now I want to a good woman, you know. But every time you call me, I look out for you. Look out for my time, man. You know the things that went better because I have somebody run off the yard. I can't wash and clean and then be there and run the road at the same time. That's why I make less money. You understand?
So you say you want good man?
I want good man to put on a yard. You understand me? That means everything good otherwise. You don't make more money now. Because checking out maths, you know?
Alright, yeah, I'm going to do that for you then. Because everything I can call by and get that change.
That's to do it, man. And you know what I mean? Just try to get a good money work out, man. Because
I'm going to do it for you, man.
alright, so here what? I go up on the road because the time I go up on the road, right? Try to make some money.
Don't say a word. I'm going to match up you now and get it.
Get well. Get well soon, man. I'm like soon down, you know.
Alright, brother.
Alright.
It's relatively enough. Girl, you get a piece of freckles, I look up to a chum change. It look like we can go bar, we get a drink, we can go have dinner. Alright. I'll get ready now. Yeah. Later.
So you not call first, no dog not there?
No man, the dog not there, come.
You sure?
Fire!
Yeah, there come. There come there. Good day.
So long we have to wait for you?
No, man, come here, exercise. What's your name? Fire.
Hey, but me give man see you, man. Nice girl from country, me bring you. See you want a nice girl, see that?
So you're really single?
Yeah.
So you look good.
Thank you.
Yeah, man, look good. So where you carry things left and country?
Our clothes them in the man.
No, you talk here, though.
No man, she don't really talk like that. I'm just very little time for just your mouth pop. Go and feel her out first.
Alright, so.
No, different mission, me a different thing.
Yeah,
How about you, man?
Really, today. Come here,
Ah.
see us, man. How is us, man?
Oh, Bunton, can you give me a month by 1 day?
They don't me just send the money from here, man. Actually, we got a bank from man a time ago. But more can money from here.
Alright then.
Alright.
Where do you want to put my bag?
So I'm still on the start telling you. You're not working, man. I'm free place, man. So I will play the basic and show sing around the one just easy up and over somewhere. Yeah, I've been through a lot, you know what I mean? I've been hurt, I've been tossed aside and a lot of different stuff. So hope that this time around things work out better. You know what I mean? Looking for your future. So anything I have are yours, you know what I mean? Monday morning I'm gonna bring it down to bank and put it in my account. This is where you're going over the time, you know what I mean? So you can have access to go and get and do the shopping for the house. The more you be like a wife, you know what I mean? Where you do things that you need to do. Come on, focus on making the money and preparing a brighter future, right? You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, don't worry about, man. So more there, I've got to jump down my bank now, go draw money, go give your friend because she really carries somebody beautiful and more she feel alright still, you know what I mean?
So sell me?
No! But I mean like when somebody do something good for you, I know so they don't have no money, you give them money.
Oh, you
because
set her up
that's nothing. Money is nothing. You know, love value more than money. That's true, no, man. Yeah, man, so that's that me I say. So, mom, she's seen on the money. She asked me the money a while ago. I get her money give her and she can nice by herself. Like, I'm going to feel nice. You know, so I have you here, so. She go there one place and I feel nice. It don't make no sense. Better me go. Just like when I go to restaurant and go eat, I have to tip the people them today when work. Because that make the thing work make sense. Because what you work for if you don't want money?
Not true.
You understand? So that's me that. So when I go my tip, so it's like me I give her a tip to work for she do. And I sell her buy. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So I go get something for her, so I soon come. What you want on her to eat?
Cheese patty and cocoa bread and big bag juice.
Bag juice or bag juice?
Big juice.
Big Joe. I don't know if they have Big Joe down here. So I buy the patty and something for you. And get you a bottle of water, but I don't buy none of the fried juice them. We will get you even one case of Ensure. Right?
Mm-hmm.
I'll go for it and come back. You see, more of them are sheet in Nigeria, but I same color. This is my favorite color. My favorite brand of sheet. So we have 10 pure right. We don't change it. This is a sheet of milk. So when it's dirty, you just put on this said one like this here. Not change the color, alright? Alright. So come. Good doing. Place up good.
Thank you.
Alright, so the potty. Something like insurance.
Thank you. Hot man, make it cool.
Yeah man, this is Negril, you know what I mean? We go carry on the place, we can know the place. We carry up on the beach and, you know, what about the place you can see when the time right. Alright? Why you doing? I never sure if you want to ensure cold or hot, but ice in our fridge.
No, man, that's alright.
Alright. You see, say sun now go come out. See sun come out there. We are go out tonight, you know.
Where else?
We go up on the beach, we have one of them concert there. Maybe we're gonna show it. This is what we're going tonight. But your mother stay with money.
She love money. She spend it off quick as she get it.
As long as I'm her son-in-law, any money me have, she have money. More give her what I have to, and you have money too.
So y'all give her everything?
Not everything, but give her what we can give her, you know what I mean? Because we not down here eat and your mother no upper country not eat, you know.
Well,
She have money there?
no.
She know herself
And
then,
she
man.
love nice things.
Know
A
herself.
young girl.
Because she bring out nice things out
Yeah,
more
so she have to love nice things.
so, and the nice things benefit to me now, so we have to show appreciation.
That's right.
So, what you want to know?
Well, I like to go on the beach side.
Alright, babe, so let's go on the beach then. Have a drink or something.
Alright, come
We're not going to swim now. You have a swim or not?
No, I don't.
Unless we go skinny dip. We stay till night, we are skinny dip. You know what skinny dipping mean?
Nothing wrong with skinny dip.
What skinny dipping mean?
I'm yours and you're mine. Come
But
on.
what does it mean though? You know what I mean?
Yes, I
What
know
I
what
mean?
it means.
What I mean?
Strict though, you're cute.
This is one of the beach, but you have 7 miles of white sand. Look over there. 7 miles of white sand. We're going to go to one of the concerts one night. Reggae concert.
Okay.
You already know.
Yeah.
You know.
So,
We been there a long time. Country.
I've been in your dreams.
But you're there country, you go up the wall yourself if you don't here. Let's go back home now, go look for it. Yo, what one? Did they carry money come?
No, boss, you don't carry money come. You say next week before you get the money.
This I think I'm done like, you know.
Sorry, boss. Sorry, man.
Yo, wanna do better than that, man.
Sorry, boss. I'm just sorry, man.
Can't just all the things them to the people them and then end of the day they don't carry money forward. Or you vouch to them so like they go outside and make the money run.
Next week, you say we'll bring money.
Alright. Well, that's not bad.
Fine, my love.
Why you going different than last night you vexing me?
Hmm?
2 days now you vexing me and I'm going to be mad this now. Why problem?
So I can't talk to you nice?
No. Me I say but what was the problem? Come and done with still.
That done breeze and gone. New day has dawned.
So you figure out about everything what them tell us.
Mm-hmm.
That's your good.
Yeah. Not really.
So what's your problem now? What's wrong?
I need some
We know some of something like that. How money you want now?
money. Not kill about 100.
$100?
No. 100 G.
We got it 100G. Have you 100G yet?
Mm-hmm.
When?
Enough time.
Who give you 100,000?
You don't worry about that.
When you 100 grand? Or you say man
Yeah,
never there
what
take
about
care of you? You say man never there take care of you now. So you 100 grand. All up a time.
Stop focus on that now. Sure.
So where you got the 100 grand though?
I see one shop space down the road. Somebody want. Instead of to walk and sell things, we just have my things in there.
Well, it's not a bad idea, you know. But me think say it's best if you creep before you walk. I go give you some money, you buy the cheap chip and this thing them and just start off. You see, if your business take up and I see I go on good, I invest some money into the business. Just take that and start, just turn that. Because when me just start my business, I turn my business from $1,500. $1,500 I start with.
But that are them the time they this and now.
That's why this is not 1,500, this is 10,000. So use that and start. Buy some of the things them. Buy the phone card, couple phone card, cheap chip, and then look at something, look at Pepsi, look at this, look at that, and start sell that. But tell you one, you see the place you can go sell it at Beach Park. Beach Park when people come swim in the evening, just go that's one location. Go to so and you go on different location and you get to make money. You're nice, money buy for you, woman buy for you. Just buy them little sweets, them kids them come they can sell them something too. Water or one thing with them sell too. So that can start off you. Buy a little bit. Let me tell you sell off you go back some more stuff. Alright, so me I'll go up on the road now. Go do some things over work hard. The man put me money and me not like that.
Alright. Alright. So you can drop me out, so I'm gonna buy this stuff then.
If I drop it, you pop up. Babes! Babes!
Nobody move.
Yo, other plan.
Nobody move, man. Nobody move. You think we find you? Eh? Come on. Talk up now.
Bro, what you know? A piece of I don't know style thing, man. A piece of fern. Some people are foreign, so they want a piece of fern. So me they look piece of fern. I know me not me see you. Me see you, me not hide. Me a big man. But me know say me need to give you money for a win still. Me know that. But somebody promise me want money for a win, and you know where you go when time then promise you. It take a while. It come like a government week here grant and all this. So it take a while before you get it. Or probably next year before they actually send it. So you just have to just wait until me get it. I don't know style thing.
Promise. Yo, the trust of the camera. I ain't taking light too. Me not to tell the man nothing about the light. I mean want the money. And you move so. And I can't talk about people. Promise me. No I know about nothing about no government. Because you and the government are the same thing. You're a thief.
I know say camera not to work either. Come end up for all girl and my little cousin to carry out for do what you want to do.
No, you have to go pay up some money right now, man. Give me what you have in your pocket. Give me what you have in your pocket.
Boy, if you find me broker than church mouse right now.
Bro, you broke on church mouse? Alright.
Wanda!
Oi!
Oh, go on. Morning. And how you look, sir?
Boy, I'm stressed out.
How could I stress you out, you know?
The man when me have take me in good as him fit up work. Me like idiot now. Left the work. I'm hungry, they also pies me.
So you couldn't call me and tell me say you're hungry?
How you get money if you don't normally have money?
Hey, girl. The man where you give me. Atmosphere fire. Me hear cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching.
Hey, yeah. What's that? So she take good otherwise different from money?
Of course. Every weekend. If it's not Margaritaville, it's some hotel, some girl. Every weekend is another dinner. I don't know, nothing small. I'll be a lobster and expensive food there. What things I'm not used to. Me I get liquor all name what me can't spell.
Hey! But the sun festive?
You can't tell that you give me good money and take up caca fat. Yeah, the young foot.
Okay. So me take up here, tell me say me take up phone. If you say thanks, me give you a good man. You go try turn on and tell me things.
You know some sure man, me say thanks in a different ways, you know. Look how much time me tell us say come
Which
we go have a
different
drink.
ways?
Look how much time me tell us say come we go have a drink.
And when me drinking now, half hour later me thirsty again. Thanks send something to me, I go come tell me say let's have a drink, have a drink.
Alright then thanks. Thanks. You happy now?
Yes. Me glad that more you tell me say thanks. Man I cheat you good.
Girl, you know I know about all in your soul.
You mean in your soul?
You don't know the bed. Girl, landing. Hey. The man make me catch in a spirit. White up. Rain fall. Flood.
Me don't want to hear no more. Powerful son. Girl, me don't want to hear no more. My argument is big on me. And me there so can't get nothing. Man nah there, man this. A cross is me take up and you get a good man. And what is for me? He man nah no use. He man can't sleep, he sleep more than when me da breathe.
No man, you have to slap him and say, get up boy.
One night I lean, me have to lean up in bed in here. Lean up here and say, if that now go on, I know that we not sleep. That's how me get some.
Jesus Christ, no. So you know go in the kitchen, go give him little remedy.
Me not anybody go give him little remedy. No do you know lazy you're in the road and get greener pastures. Me?
That's something you not do. My feel say that's something you not do. Sometimes you lock a days, you can feel say because in a go road, you must lock shop. You're not to lock the shop, you need to open the shop.
Long as my man, you know say my shop ever home. Can I turn up his bump and beat him, say Ray? Me not stress out myself and nobody. Me?
You must slap the little boy that he has and tell him to get up, the anthem is playing.
I'm not going to chat all about foolish at my ears now just because you're like you come and contemplate all your man and my man. You just go on here. Just go on home.
Are your relationship? You
go cook your future husband.
Me no need to cook. I don't need to cook because he's going to bring home food. You know, you miss me a live star life. Anything you want, I just call him.
I just call him. You're lucky like a chucky. Girl, you're gonna take a 5 yeah. You go more.
So me can't give me so much attitude. Should I tell you about me, man?
Me not get attitude. Just make a more man.
You move like bad man, I work for you.
No man, you chat too much sometimes and that's a problem. So you get the just 1 on, me get a 5.
I'm gonna be here because you look like a bad man who is active.
No man. As so long you take for the 1 year, girl.
Me finish now, Amanda. Jesus.
This is what I want you to do for me. I want you to behave like you bring him an intimate to make it some photos. So I go there talk to him about make him look like him inner things. We just want to see how she go react. If she react in a certain way, me just tell her say a prank.
So how will we go about that?
The chain around the neck. The only thing I need to lose the chain Make the change up off you and you can reach a film side. Behave like you can't lock it back and just ask him, like you have any nails? And tell me just lock it for you. So me get some photos.
Alright then. No, excuse me. You can close that chain here for me, please, because your fingernail in the can.
You know, easy. We have to some something so.
Come on, if you can reach it.
So catch you. You see why it stays so? Because you see, you night make your lapse. Some you night you go in there. She's the whole small.
Granny?
Yeah, she whole small. You can't.
Alright, thanks. Thanks.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Alright.
Come now. Come open the door, no man. You come and go like you're a stranger.
You have me out there so long.
Me never pick up the vibe, man. Try not to with me so strong.
I be like you, me stop forward and come looking at this.
Come look
I hear that turn one piece of big old menke for that idiot man. Come.
Come forward.
Come look for your good body man.
Good body, man.
Hey!
I know me man that. I can't him.
Look for your man face, look. You have been only Rasta in the black, pan the black. I ungle Rasta pan the black. What is? I am having ungle sweater, green and yellow sweater, you know what's it? Been a denial.
I know him that. I can't him.
Think of that alone. The first time I sling up and I move up in a golf course, you know. Up in there, go out with himself, you know. Me a crawl, you know, I think as a soldier, me didn't want to turn. So me come like I training, me a exploring my brain. I crawl, go under the house. Someone sitting up there.
Jesus Christ.
I show you when me watch them the blue movie. Nothing more, nothing less. But because when me did that video, you know the footage them last, I mean, you love your proof. So God make it happen now that this morning me bought them up again and go follow them.
I like ya chill.
Me say me bought them up and follow them. Take picture. See them here and see the proof. So me go see what you are going to do.
Me not feel good. All hot flash that take me. I like ya chill.
What me not like me I tell? You think that's the worst part about it? I pay wash over your avant, see there for your hand. And the man buy woman chain. The man not rate you.
You know long him by me them here?
You're too good. Let the man and go on and go fix up yourself and fix up your life. Look what your ear well want do. And he have the woman and do good girl ear.
And how long me tell him say me hair want do? Eh? Look here. The hair all a grow upon me. Jesus Christ. No. Me tell the man say me want 30,000 for guy here just to go install one lace wig. And he tell me saying don't have no money.
Stop behave like him and that girl yesterday. How old you used to recycle your business. Sure. Come on, me. No better not day. Yes,
Alright. Whoa. Hello? Anybody in the shop?
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm okay. I'm just asking you a tiny favor. Do you know this person?
No, I don't know her.
Alright, thank you very much.
All right.
Have a nice day now.
Okay, yeah.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Do you know this young lady?
Me know, yes, but me don't start into me now.
Alright, you know somebody who knows where she lives?
Check them on over there. You can have a better idea.
Alright, thank you. Have a nice day here.
You too.
Alright.
Brother, I want my money, you know, you. Play with me, you know. Tomorrow, brother, I can't wait so long, you.
I'm sorry to interrupt. I just want to ask you a small question.
Hold on. Yo, me have to call you back, you know. What you say, miss?
Sorry to interrupt you, but I need to ask you a tiny favor. Okay, do you know this person? This young lady?
Yeah, what I'm to her?
She's my cousin, and you know, I'm trying to find her because we need to keep a small birthday surprise for her, so I'm picking her up to bring her home.
You sure about that?
Oh yes, I'm sure. Her name is Kira.
So you have any proof, say she your cousin for real?
Yeah, we have family pictures.
Let me see them.
Oh my gosh. Oh Lord. It's in the other phone. I'm so sorry.
You
But
don't say no.
she's really my cousin. Don't you see that we look alike?
You don't say nowadays. A lot of people are go around and ask the people and them do whole heap of wrongful things and take away people, kill people and anyway, so I can't just show you. Me know her, you know. Me know her, you know, but me have to protect her, you see me, because my community and my place, you see me.
Yeah,
and she's a part of me same way.
I understand.
You understand me I say? So me can't just, you have to have some proof, say you're not a cousin for real.
Yeah, I have proof. Her name is Kira Smith and I'm Brittany Smith. We're cousins from the father's side of the family. She's my father's niece.
You have an ID?
Sure, yeah, I have my ID in my bag right here. So you really don't believe me, sir? How would I know so much about her if she wasn't my cousin?
My job, you know, Mom. My job to protect the people that live in my community. I have to know who you know.
And I understand that. I'm happy
So
that
anything will happen to the person who you look for, me know who to find and what part to come and me take a picture right there.
Here.
And my job to protect everybody who live in my community. Understand?
Yeah, I understand.
So anything happen to her, me know who to find, who part to come and you understand?
Okay.
You have an identification card. Alright, yeah. Alright, me show you partially.
Hello?
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 Yes? I can get a minute of your time, please? Hello? Are you named Kira?
What is for? We are here.
And don't move. Who this? I know you this.
Are your friend want your man?
Friend want which man? Who this? No, you this.
You don't understand. Let me explain.
Explain. Me
Listen. She come to me over my yard and she say me if me can do something for her. And she want my friend. She say I just want like a prank. So me do it.
Friend tell you say what? Which friend?
Your friend.
My friend? Better start calling me.
Amanda.
Explain yourself before me put this in you, because you cannot tell like my friend.
She tell me say me fit drop my chain and make him tie him lock it back for me. And she go take some picture. She say I just want like a prank. Me never know say your man she did want take.
Just want like a prank. She don't want to take my man. And she give me that demand there. And when me have my man problem, me can talk to her. When she have fear, she can talk to me. She not do that to me. We live like sister, peas in a pod.
She tell me say I want like a prank. You know she say because the girl want your man.
She don't want my man and she look the man and give me. Oh, she want me man.
But for your man not take good care of, so she want your man will take good care of you.
Liar till. So you see right here now? You see become me very confused and I don't know what is what. Don't say nothing to nobody, you hear me? And try no gas station. Any of your gas station or say nothing to nobody. Remember me and come back for you. And if me can't find you, me I find somebody for you. You hear what me say?
Alright.
Don't say nothing to nobody. No police. Don't tell no Amanda. And don't tell no community members. And try to make me catch you. Suspect you. I dream about you. I'm a man again. You hear me say? You hear me? What me say? Keep it like that. Done right, just so.
Yes, well going.
Oh, do you see you there?
Yeah, man. A long time I don't see you. Well going.
But there you go, sir. In the area, walk.
Okay.
How you duck them? You duck them alright?
Right, you know.
Eh.
Yeah.
So you don't have no more of the duck them myself?
I always have duck selling now. But, and really that you come here to me about.
Miss Cheryl, how you know something that me come here about?
The only time me see you come and you take a seat is when you have problems. Otherwise, you just hear me and go on.
Well, in all truth and honesty, you know, Miss Cheryl, I kind of really go through some rocky relationship things.
Me did know.
Oh boy.
Oh, who no young girl can have man problems so?
To the bag of story me have, I don't know where to start, but I go start from somewhere.
Yes, but you have to start from somewhere.
Alright. I have this friend, right? She helped me get my man and every little thing, you know? And me talk to her how good the relationship are going, etc. whatever. Anyways, she carry one picture come show me from my phone. I didn't even bother want to show you the picture. With my man and one girl turn up down further down the road.
You see, no young girl, you no chat to no business too much. Sometimes when we go on Instagram and some no private affair, you no have it on Instagram, you no chat to no business too much. You no take for no friend, no friend. You see it there now? I tell you, go tell her how good the man a treat you. She feels that the man too good for you. So now, because of that, she want the man. If you did keep your mouth and keep your business, she would know your business.
No, Miss Cheryl, that's true you talk till now. But me not think my friend Manda would have do that to me. Because I see him so me go at the girl yard this morning. After me find out where she live, one man showed me where she live, you know. Me find out where she live. And me go to her. And when me to her up, she tell me say, I know she and my man not in a things. And my friend set up it and tell her say she must just go down the road to the man and make her necklace drop off.
So who you believe?
Me believe my friend. Cause me and her live like sister. We share everything.
Everything?
Everything. Down to panty we share.
That's
so
why
me not think she would have take my man.
Well, that's why she share the man with you. Because if you don't share everything, I know not fair if you share your man. Because if you share all panty, I know not if she share your man with you.
But me Cheryl, if me have relationship problem as she, me go to, you know, and when she have relationship problem, and me, she come to, you know.
Are the best thing that we can hear what happen now. You see the advisor she give you, I feel you believe the man that she can get the man.
No, sir, me don't think so. She give me good advice for
Good
take the man
advice?
if he not treat me good, but she not take the man.
Look here, the worst thing, a friend enemy. The worst thing is friend enemy. Because when they in front of you, they show you one face. And behind your back is another thing. You fi do your own investigating. Not tell nobody nothing. You just go and find out for yourself.
Me not think my friend would have do that because when me have relationship problem, she me go to and she give me good advice. When she have relationship problem and me she come to and me give her good advice. So she would have never ever take my man. Me can put my head on the black. This the black. When me sit down and write here so me can put my head on it. Say Manda, nah do nothing to hurt me.
Him no must cheat for you, you know. Because you might have a good man friend. So you can have a good woman friend too. You no must cheat. But true your friend want the man, she will make it look like say him a cheat for you. But for your peace of mind, do you own investigate?
You see, as a big woman, Miss Cheryl, me respect you.
Yes.
So you know what me I go do? Me I go take your word as advice. Me I go do my own little investigation. Me not just let go my man and me not just let go my friend.
You do
Alright?
investigating now.
So
You
thanks.
take it from yourself. Yeah man, you're
Thanks
welcome.
again.
You know so you can come check me anytime.
Anytime.
Yeah man,
Alright.
so take care.
Alright.
Alright.
I want you. You're not even call. Not because me and your friend. You can call when you come. So what do you know?
Manda. I stress out, I confuse everything in one.
What going on with you?
Me and Fire, we not upon good terms. You feel something feel left him?
Every relationship have their ups and downs, girl. But then again, if you not going too good left for me, man, I make the man stress you out. Come and tell her this you look too good for that. So what you gonna do? What you really gonna do?
Me go call my people them and tell them me move back a country. Me I left Fire. Permanent, done, over with.
So your people gonna just take you back in, so?
Then they must take me in. They can't refuse me.
Why? You're fortunate. Because if they have me, they need to take me back. And you didn't come up so good to live with man. You have to do what you have to do still.
Me I left him. Done with over completely. Me nah come back.
Yes, girl. Because you two look good. Just go and run and do what you have to do. I don't mean directly run with more lip man, you know. But you're too nice for that, the man, the anyway you take you. Look at you cheating man good and going in a man life and you come out here and tell me say the man so good. All of a sudden you want to leave him man. That means I must something look at me know say you're a good girl. You that never hurt him. So I must him had the problem, so leave him. The man stress you out. Can go about in business and find back somebody new.
That's I'm ready to say the man that you want a real friend. You're the best friend with anybody could have ever find.
You ask Christ for that.
And
Jesus for that.
Can't do without you, man.
No, nothing, man.
I have to listen to every word you say. PP, clock, A to the Z.
I pay a fax with that. Pay a fax. You not gonna leave him?
You know, hear me say, me I left him. Plus you confirm it as if you left him. Today me I come out. Today. Right now, I'm left you so. Me I left this.
Yeah, man, let us up quick then now. Go on, man. You want me come or you good?
No, man, we good, man.
Oh, alright. Come down and witness you left you dirty boy.
Yeah, come on.
Hello, good morning.
Babes, you can come home, please. Emergency.
What kind of emergency? What?
Just come up, Fire.
What's wrong? So, is something wrong with you?
Yes, something wrong with me. Just come home quick for me, there, please.
You feel sick?
Yes.
You feel sick?
Yeah, I feel bad.
How long?
Just come now, man, and everything
You're
we can.
Yes.
Yeah, me I throw up.
You're pregnant?
Me feel so.
You're pregnant?
Yeah, me feel so.
Yo, look up everything, sir. May I come? them people go and do them a deal. I mean, I come, don't move here.
Okay.
Me a forward. Me a run a come.
Alright.
Just sit down, lay down. Sit down, I lay down.
Alright, no problem.
Alright, I mean, I come. Drink water.
Okay, babes.
Alright, now forward.
You say, no, can I get a girl that play? What is that?
Dear Fire, I don't know how much longer I can stay here with your lies and deception. I'm moving back to my parents' house in the countryside. Be happy with your life. You can now move on. I'm gone for good. XOXO. Love, Brittany.
Sorry, but the person you have called is unavailable. Please leave a message after the tone.
You see your daughter? Huh? No. Me call the daughter phone and I get her phone and go straight to voicemail. But she up your yard?
No, she gone out this morning, and it look like something wrong with her phone. I don't know what it is. I like that for now you call her and can't get her.
Because she called me, say she dey home and she don't feel so well. And me run come over here, I'm gonna see her. And now me a call you as her mother because you and I have more contact. You know what I mean? Me know say me have my little problem, then me have my little this and she write one long old letter give me saying a lot of things. You know what I mean? And me just feel so down right now because people say things about me, you know. I don't know if you tell her say them say me have the whole girl them down here, you know. Them tell her that.
You know, say, telling the truth, you see things that you don't really sit down and discuss about it. She real secretive. And me not say she act no kind of way. So me not know if she and her have anything because she never tell me.
Because
She tell you say she have to go over here and then you go over there and not see her. Me not know when she gone.
Because this morning, me get up and say, alright then, me know say your mother is a hardworking woman, and me know say your father, you dey home every day, you chat to your one and two friend them, and this and that. It better if you are the one hustling. So me give her one money so she can start one little business. You know what I mean? And now she call me an idea so she feel this and feel that. As me come home, I come see let up on bed. You know what I mean? And now me I call her phone and get her phone. So that's why I call you now to say if you see her. Because me know cause like I run she a run away. So she does, you know what I mean?
Jesus, I hope I not for her bad. Me have to go try and call her phone and
See if I can call her and tell her to please come back home. Anything then say me I do, me not do nothing. You understand?
So you and her did have something why she just took up and gone because she
No, over a period of time, she have things, especially the people set me up and do all that of things and say a lot of things. So, me just can't control. Somebody I try to fight against me and her.
Oh, so somebody they carry your name to she.
Yeah, and she just take it and I run with it no matter what. Because
So, me, her mother, and me, she should have contacted me. I don't know how she had take news.
yeah, man, so me don't know. So, if I talk to her, tell her some love her. Here, just do that for me. Just tell her some love her. I no more sleep tonight. Alright. Alone in a dark room. No one to call to.
Me, myself, and my shadow. My mother-in-law.
Yeah. Papa.
You know your daughter yet?
No. She not call me. I try to call her. But the call ain't not go through.
Come there and wonder. We go over our friend say, see her, you know what I mean, no information. You are saying, see her, what she can go on? Me give her a look of money, but the money them the thing can go for. Some place in the island thing can get a room, but hope somebody not take him where you know go and do something bad thing self, I really love her, And you know, say what day there's some things that I sell out to try and make some money. Cause I plan tomorrow and invite to your wedding, That's my own mission. But I don't know what flow up in her head. Every little thing.
You did tell her about the wedding?
No, man, I don't propose to her yet, man.
Oh, you not propose?
No, I don't propose to her yet. I try to set the mood right. I try to make money. You know what I mean? Because you can't marry them broke, You can't marry them broke. When I marry them broke, that broke up relationship. So when I try to do now, I have a little food, I balance out, I do a little bank, I do some little investment and that. But she not humble herself. You know what I mean? Me take her up, she can't really cook. I'm not saying about that. I'm not blame you, I'm not blame nobody. I cook my own little food. But I teach her certain things and she will learn. What day she cook some rice? I tell you. The rice, the pocky, and I don't really cuss her. I just say a plastic rice and make it plate off.
No, listen, you have to find the part that you can't blame her because me and mother and nobody never teach me to cook, so me can't cook. So I must me she get the offer, I get the teacher, but anyway, so me sit down and they wonder where she gone. I mean, I understand how me a call her and can't get her. So it look like me have to go report it to the police then because she come like she missing.
Alright, so do that tomorrow then. I'm on and you do that. But then at night, I try to say I can get some sleep. I'm come in, just go all a bed and lay down in my bed, and I think about her,
The last time you see her, what kind of clothes she in? What color? What she in? Pants or shorts? And what the color be?
The last time I see her, I don't remember what she have on. She just have on one of them yard clothes, man. She only left out that the woman there only left out in them. You know, in her yard clothes. So me give him some money. So I guess he will fix up himself and wear this that. So what me I do still, I go pray and go to sleep because I can't do more than I can do. I walk down the whole community, I ask her, no sign of her. You know what I mean? So right now, I don't know what to say or what to do. Most of them I put up in a hand. I could just figure that out. I do my best so I can do. I want my best to her. I not cheat on her. You know how much girl I look me? I'm turn them down.
Lord Jesus, my son-in-law, you is the best man she ever have. The other rest of them, if you even know what they do to her.
She tell me so what she go through.
You are the only man who treat her so good. So I don't know what happened because it's funny. You say you not do her nothing and she just get up and go so.
And you know what say funny enough? It's not me see her somewhere and look her, It's her best friend. Link me and me link repertoire together and I saw it's like a match make in the ghetto. You know what I mean? So me think say when go work out because me like her, me do everything for her, me love her. We grew up, you know what I mean? We grew in a one little band from we get her. Cause her boyfriend she have first, so she make she maga down. So she said that make she the maga because of the man. Cause she come from big breed, you know what I mean? So as soon as she started her food and content, she start put on weight. You know what I mean? Cook for her. I don't even know. It's rough. But me there I go and hold it off still. I kind of feel down, but me not out. I feel down, but me not out.
Me hope I don't know next man she gone with because I don't need another son-in-law. You is my best son-in-law. Me no want she have no other man but you.
Yeah, man.
Maybe she gonna look for one of her friend them and she soon come back. Me no know.
But she write one letter, She write one letter, left you say a bag of different things. But when I done, when I in there, I make you see letter. You know what I mean? So
I want to see letter. You need if you tell me how they go on in that later because that sounds serious, man.
So we soon figure it out. Some of the day I go out take a rest. And in the morning, we start out early. If you go look for her, go look for her someplace. Alright?
Alright.
Alright, just rest up yourself. Rest up yourself.
Alright, take care.
Alright, let's see. Father, I hope there's nothing wrong with her. I hope so. Really love her. She don't know the good man she has.
Mommy, morning.
Lord have mercy, my daughter. I want to you, where did they?
Me alright, you know, get me text so me tell us me alright.
Get which text? Unless when you text me, the data did finish. Then when me put on the data, I not see that the message come in. Where you there? Where you there? How long me not see you? Where you there?
Me there alright. Me there behind me I fit in the house I hide and I listen out if my man really love me.
Here you are.
So me
Why
here.
you do that?
Because
Why? What caused that? What caused that? What make you stress out the man?
Alright, remember Amanda, the friend of me have my best friend. The one with me and you always, when me always carry come at the yard and she all sleep on the bed and sometimes she not carry no
Okay,
panty.
that girl there, yes, that same girl there. What happened? What happened between you and her?
She carry one picture come show me. She take one picture of my man and one girl upon road. One girl, you remember Kira, the little butterfoot girl down the road?
Yes.
She take Kira picture, bend over upon my man. Well, neat. Yes, not even breeze couldn't pass through how they lock up tight. So anyway, me go in the community where she live and find out exactly where fear house there. You know, so I no run Philip girl when me defend my thing a road.
Jesus Christ. And look how you make me a class the girl. You sure say Akira you sleep on picture with your man?
Akira.
You have some dirty girl out the road with love mash up people relationship, you know. Then see you and your man there walk up and down and look nice and go out and have a nice relationship. And then try to carry new stuff to break it up.
No,
be
mommy.
careful of what you do, you know. Mine they judge your man wrongfully.
Mommy.
That girl,
No, mommy. Mommy, don't blame Manda. So, mommy, you know, see how me and Manda tight. Mommy, you know, see me.
Who the hell is Manda? Who the hell is Manda? So you put Manda in betwixt you and your man relationship. So you look like Manda come first. Girl, you are my daughter and me no want no idiot as my child. You and your man, they go on good. That is my good son-in-law. And this look like a somebody they judge somebody if you somebody man. You better use your head. You hear me say? Alright.
Mommy, how you look like you're
Right
back
now
in
you
shape?
left the man. Listen to me, my daughter. I want you to listen to me carefully. You left my son-in-law they stress out. The man walk up and down and look for you every minute he call me phone. My phone can't be in a known peace. In just a call me so Lord and mercy one night time I ball inside ball. Me have to sorry for him and say, me I go try to see if me can get in touch with you again because I call you and I can't reach you. So make sure say you're alright which part you're there. And me need to know where you're there, you know. Me need to tell me where you're there when me come look for you if you don't want to come down right now.
Mommy, me tell you, say me dey home, me hide round at the bed head back.
They wish home? My yard?
No,
Me and you live?
no,
Which home?
the house where me man bill and put me in, where me and him live in. Me dey right here. Yes.
Jesus Christ, and I stress out the man.
You lucky, make him get stressed.
No, Brittany, I'm a good son-in-law, and from me know that man treat you very well. He's very honest, him not dishonest, and that the man they not keep more than one woman. So me don't know how you get this in your head from that girl name. Why name? Manda, anyway, she name Manda. She loves take people, man. Leave that girl alone, she's not your friend, she'll mash up your relationship.
No, mommy, no, my Amanda. What make everybody, well, I want to just dump Amanda. I don't know me, Amanda, if you have him.
Hello? Me and your mother, you're supposed to listen to me. Me have experience of them kind of people. When they say people and people, you know two partners, they live their good life. Girl come in and it and try to mash it up because of jealousy. You hear what I say? You see what she do? Make sure that she takes somebody name. You understand and picture about him and come show that girl is a wicked girl. Be careful of what they do. You need to come talk to your man and make him know say as somebody can use to you and want to break up in a relationship. So okay, so you hide. You're in the house, you hide. From you go hide behind where you hide. Your baby eat anything? Can you imagine you most of the man there and he don't even know? Be careful of where they do. Be careful because you say good man is very hard to find and he's a very good man to you. And you know too. You're going to make one little dirty careless butterfoot girl but Manda may ask, leave that friend alone and you need to show up to your man and talk to him, explain what go down and tell him what is the problem. Because I don't understand how you love take care say so.
So, mommy, make you rough me up so. Mommy, you know you make me a cry.
Me fuck your kaya idiot man that not even have nothing for me, ama. A jealousy girl jealous over you because the way you see your man treat you. You idiot? Eh? You take easy from people and then they mash up your relationship. You crazy?
Mommy, you make me a cry.
Brittany, you not tell no lie. I know, boss me a boss too. My son-in-law always carry money go give me and give me gift. He is one of the best man in the world. Brittany, me not tell no lie. You is not that, but you are very wicked. You have the man they stress him out. I'm mad. You want him to be mad?
Mommy, he not mad.
Not mad.
He not mad, mommy.
No tell me nothing. I mean they call and they complain to and he come. You know what you do? If I never know how he stay, more than the things that him believe, say me know where they. When they there the man yard, me can't believe. I see him place there. I make him man they walk up and down and look for you like a idiot man road. You look like you want mad him. Brittany tell me the truth is another man you have.
No, mommy, I know me not do them something there.
Brittany, talk the truth. Me's your mother. I can't hold any secret for you. You think give me son-in-law, boy?
No, mommy, Amanda tell me I'm happy to listen to Amanda. Amanda, I'm my best friend, mommy.
Brittany!
Yes, mommy?
Open the door. In your room too hot. In the look nice though. But I rather talk to you on the veranda.
Then come right here so come talk to me now, mommy. No want nobody see me and know see me there.
Alright, no problem. You need to tell your man which part you're there. You understand? Me can't get here now.
Like seriously, you make the man they call me phone. Who to tell if he not have in my head? They say me and your mother, I know which part of it. And me never know where they until you tell me so you're the in the house. Like round this your backside. You can't in the house where your man they and not make you know say you're in the house.
But mommy, me have to test him to see if he love me.
You love the man?
Of course.
So in that the way that you learn say if you test man to see if they love you, you is an idiot.
But mommy, Miss Cheryl said me must test him to see if he love me, so that me did I do.
What you just say? So sake of Miss Cheryl, you gonna lose your man. Miss Cheryl know if you back it up? Eh? So you gonna lose your man sake of one next woman? You is an idiot. Brittany, make sure say you show up yourself to him when he come here, you know. Cause if you don't show up yourself to him and tell him what is the problem, me I go see him myself. Me personally, shut up. Me personally I go see him and tell him say you're in my house. So make sure say as soon as he come, I don't know when he might come, but anytime him come, talk to him. Tell him the reason why you're hiding in my house and make the man a stress out so when I call my phone. Eh? Like say me know where they. So true, me and your mother, me have to know everywhere you go and every move you make of your life. You're a big woman now. And you don't need to do that to the man. Look how the man love you. You idiot.
Mommy, but I choose the way I talk still, you know. Because even which night when I talk to you, me hear my talk to you on phone night, me not hear me here. And me hear my call my name, me not sleep. Every turning, call my name. In all, I talk about you want married to me. Are you into that talk too?
Ask me no question, you're a real idiot. You need to build a relationship. How you going to do that? By communicating. You understand? You can't there east and the man there west. You hide around this one, the man around there, so you not even know say in our house. You know say you're wicked? You're wicked. The man they all over the place and look for you and they ask everybody for you. Why you do that? Hey, Brittany, you're my daughter. And if you don't know what they do, to start out your relationship, you don't know what I mean? Your life with your man. And next woman will take him from you. Because you look like you don't know a good man.
Nobody has not taken from me.
All right.
Nobody has no one.
Big up yourself. You remember the old dirty foot man we did used to have before? When you used to beat you? You see your kin red? Every licking you used to tell me like, oh, you not lick you and me say, when I have to take you up to your god doctor. Girl, me tell you something. If you don't know what they do with your relationship, you see, you better go kneel down on your knee and put it together and ask God, say, what they do. Because he's a damn idiot. Oh, you feel have such a good mind like that. Them the good man, they're not there again, you know. So you lucky you get this a 1 year. Look how much things they do for you. And let me tell you something, my love. He's the best son-in-law I ever have. You think a little money he give me? I don't want to lose that son-in-law. You understand me? So if you make you and him break up, me not have no more figure because so always take up some idiot crosses. I mean, no want no crosses in my family. This a man, you a good man when you have. Why you doing all of them something here, Brittany?
All the way you talk a true, mommy. So you know what me I gotta do? Just give me 2 more days. And if anything, me come out and tell him the truth. But me just have to do this, mommy. You have to believe me. You have to trust me. No, mommy, you don't trust me. Me look like idiot to you. You have to trust me, mommy. Trust me. Now come out and tell him the truth.
Make sure say you do it. You hear me? Make sure say you tell the man what is the problem. Show up yourself to him. Because as me tell you before, if you not tell him, me I go tell him. Say you're in the house.
Alright, mommy, alright.
Like you want to give him an heart attack.
Alright, mommy, you're too miserable, man.
Like a heart attack you want to give him.
Go on, mommy, go on, me lucky do.
Boy, I'm there stressed out. I'm for work all day today. I'm going to lock up the things. The next week I'm going to sell some of my things. Boy, I'm just stressed out. Your daughter really stressed me up. I don't know why she there. Why, you see her? How?
No, me not see her. And I can see stress in your face. I just go and check up on you to see if you're alright, you know?
Well, I'm just there go and survive. Right now, I just made no feel so good. So I go out some sleep. Man.
So all of the people that when you ask, none of them not see her?
Nobody see her. None at all. Nobody see her. So, your neighbor say, you know, see, she doesn't know go nowhere. You know, she go nowhere. You know, see when him pass, no go on. You know, you go love her. Where you good though?
Yes, me alright. And don't stress so much, you know. Don't stress too much. Me and you have to find her. If
No
me not
worries,
find
sir.
her, you are going to find her.
No worries, sir.
Somebody must know which part she there. So take care because of someone may go. You hear?
Alright, me soon send a piece of money come give you.
Alright, thanks.
Hello? Yes, mommy? Him who? Fire?
Yes, in the come. And make sure so you tell him. Me no joke. Me have to hang up now in the come. Alright.
Alright. Alright, me go hide. Oh.
How that?
Amanda.
Oh. Where are you? Come in. Don't open the door and come in. Come and tell her now. Where are you?
Morning.
You're going like a stranger. Where are you?
I give you nothing to do. Brittany not come back?
No, you know. She just depressed. I don't know why give me that girl left a door because I don't know.
Let me put your face fool you. That girl left bad, you know?
But you give me her. Why give me a girl that bad?
Because you bad to something, so let us take a one knock and it just go on a separate ways. I know say the wife thing. Yeah, look at that, look somebody if you talk to so long.
The reason why I don't feel so bad, you know, because I search or something. So when you're going to one female and you don't find you want now, you move to the next one till you find it. In another one, yeah, there's something in the arrow I find.
So you explore?
Not really explore a lot, but you have to search for the right fit. You know what I mean? Because you know how it go. Then you say everyone of them owe you have them take a bush. So that they owe there, and this a take you for in it. It's a good girl, but I just don't understand why she pick up herself and run gone.
Man, she gone with. This is not work about woman. Look on the place. You want one new empress in this place if you fix up. It's funny girl gone, you just lie down. Lie nothing now go on for you.
You kind of stressing, man. I just one night or two.
And you know what I said, what? I get a dream boy, you do. Say me and you talk and everything that goes so good. You wonder if you could have really work out with me and you.
So why can you never give me yourself instead of give me a friend?
I don't even know what to say. I don't know if I explain myself right this, but maybe I see a cheater.
What if a friend come back? Because now I fall in love with Brittany, you know. I just she fact that she run off, I can't find her now, but you know something, you know. What you know about her? Where is she gone?
She not come back. She not anytime she done with people that just done, she the next man she gone with.
You too lie and wicked, you! You did a plan this all along. You give me the man and you try to keep up. And more than bumper come up in your front. You wicked girl. Miss Cheryl did right. After you come, cause send me picture with my man and girl out there so. Miss Cheryl did that talk the truth when Miss Cheryl said my man might nah do nothing. And you set up this all along. You're a wicked piece of girl. After you really
hey, man, you come. Hey, man, you come. Man, you come.
Are you're the next one.
Where did they?
Round this up from how long when you see from me tell us I'm gone, around this up me catch up.
So I'm stressed out and I want to say that.
Yeah, come here to test you. So me hear everything and me see everything. Come, hurry up and come out.
You the back of bed all long. See you coffee man, you're so obsessed.
So not for me man, I'm supposed to be obsessed. Not for me man. What?
Girl, why? You know what I said before though? I didn't mind in general any little thing that go on in you, so give me money and give me a thing when I'm there for my rough times.
Oh, you nigga you. So that's why you try to take him from me. Because your sister the money tap run for you half for me man and me I do all of the work. Come.
Give me a little space,
Come out, see this, come out.
Touch me that is. We just wrong you in your man place. I remember if you call me later.
Call what? I feel man. 30 girl.
The people
I feel the friend. You don't even know it.
Come on. Come on.
Yo,
You just sitting here lick your see?
Yo, me call.
Call what?
No,
Give
no,
up
no.
to the two of you.
Call them. Are you a friend, you know?
I'm not friend which part? Me and this girl are not friend again.
Wait a minute.
This friend with them here. Friend with me. Come, go sit down. Come out.
Hey, girl, me say don't touch me like this, you know.
Me say
Hey, don't touch me like this, you know.
come out.
Hey.
Hello.
Yeah, this girl.
Me know two on our friend.
Two of our friend which part?
Please, wanna calm down. Check her back tomorrow. By tomorrow, our friend again. Call long time on our friend. No bother fight. You can't bother the argument.
Hit the road,
You
Jack.
can't
Hit
stress.
the road. You can't get no man for yourself. Can't get no man for yourself. Come out. Don't come back in here.
Well,
I really that you have in here, sir? What you let her in for?
we got to adjust that just shortly and let me talk to you overall. She is my friend from a long time. Mr. help her out, you know what I mean? And the thing, she's realized I'm lonely, been in some relationship and a workout, some people really use me. Because I'm a humble youth, I'm a youth, I care youth, I get woman things. So woman take advantage of me. So she has a friend now, she introduced me and you, right? Appreciate that because some find love in life. But you keep on accusing me. Why you accusing her? She has other things?
Of course, then she sent me the picture with the girl with you out of one shop. I fix the girl necklace and the girl well bent over upon you, well set good too. And when me got to her for advice, she must left with dirty boy. And she set up everything. Even when me go in go find out from the girl tell me say, she and you never there for true. And she tell her say she go do and prank on her friend. And the girl go fall for the trick and see me nearly all hurt the girl. Suppose me to get myself in a trouble. Over you, one man. If you never make things get out of proportion, it wouldn't stay so.
Right.
Now that you know, say me I want really out and me know that the mix up and bag of thing. If you not share everything, why you wanna share me?
You mad? You must be sick. I to lick you man.
Chop me, joke me a make. But different from that though, you must believe in what I say, because we know a relationship. You have to have my word, didn't me say? Make it be something of substance. You know what I mean? Because I stress out. When I sleep, you know what I mean? I still sleep. You toss and turn. And Jim boy, you bully. Me and that priest have some different places, some different man.
Me, you know so me not give it up. But anyway, on a different note, all said and done. You still like a married me? Come on, man.
You know, easy, you know.
Me? You go married me too.
Yeah man, blessed evening, live and living color. Facey face in our O. Fires, aka Curious King, man of many names, you know what I mean? So you know say at all times we always have new development and new things that go on in the world. But today it's like one shot at love, you know what I mean? So we set up some things and see where relationships don't work sometime. You know what I mean? But you work sometime. So now, this evening now, I have a young brother. Him got to enough relationship already. Not really enough, but young youth. So now, he want a nice lady. I look for love, you know what I mean? So it's something like an experiment, you know what I mean? So something we start from the grassroots. So female were interested out there in the world, you know what I mean? Where you're tired of being alone and you want to start something serious, you know what I mean? Some want to rebrand Jamaica, you know what I mean? From a point of view, and not be bad things come from here. Good things here. Love there. This is long of the best. So you find the best here in Jamaica. In every quarter. Check your running. Check your football. Check every little thing. We always are the best. You know what we do? Even reggae music, everything. So even in love. Some bad promotion out there, but we come to change the narrative. So a person look for true love. So if you're out there, you want true love, and you like this person that's gonna come and they scream now and give you a present him to your world, look brother, come in fire.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Blessed love, people. Blessed love, you know?
Yeah man, so.
And my name is Ace, you know. Now, I've been in one and few relationships, you know. Some people, they really want love. Some people don't know how to deal with the authentic love, you know. So if you're looking for love, I'm here. I'm interested. We can talk.
Yeah man, so single and ready for mingle. You know what I mean? So it's easy, you know. I just start from a conversation, and from one conversation, we can save a nation. Jamaica, we are rebranding it. It's not the land of food and water. It's the land of love. Jamaica, land of love. You know what I mean? So,
the land of love, you know?
yeah, so I might look for love. A
Real
nice
love.
person where we're interested. We want a real relationship. Make a link.
Something serious, you know?
Alright man, your number up on the screen. Shout it, number if you're interested, and we take it from there. So, you know what I mean? Burn it down to your ground. Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. As you can see, I am in the kitchen, you know what I mean? Yeah. So from one kitchen to one next kitchen, right? I want to give a shout out and I want to send it over to the page of Empress G. The link go there in the description. I go see one, the thing you can click on this TV screen. Yeah, so. You know what I mean? The lady there is a major supporter of the movements of a better Jamaica. Silent in the thing from long time. Always sending donation. She not talk. She just do things. Let me tell her so she stay. She just do things. Even the house, she donate to it. She and one ex-lady from Canada. Two of them by the first JAMMIWOOD house and them donate to it and deal with it. You know what I mean? You soon see the house in alive. And if we start shooting tonight, you know what I mean, and bag of things, but it's a step forward. So now we see mash it and mash it tonight this one. Put it down. Yeah, so I say now. She have a cooking channel where she cook and teach about healthy living and teach some new recipe. You know what I mean? Very interesting. So go over to there and leave a comment and tell her, say, fire her, say, you know what I mean? Because one movement, she has support her back, you know what I mean? So make you feel good. Go over to our channel. I'm going to put some personal interview over there of myself and the team said we I do some things because she help the movements forward, some more help our channel go forward too. For it have a movement of positivity, you go work, longevity. Because she really wants to see a better Jamaica, you know what I mean? But stay tuned to Fair Channel and you will get further information and details of what's going on, you know what I mean? Because we alone can't do it, we are going to need help, you know what I mean, of people out there in the world, you know what I mean? And she, part 3 of my independence, she donated to that to make, I'm going to get for what sets free because without the sponsorship, the movie them not work for my time because I take too much movie, you understand? So if you're out there wants to, like I say, a movie, we do a movie, do part 1 and part 2, you want to see part 3, you can actually help us to do the part 4, part 5, and the part 2 want to see. Just serious about it and contact with, we take it from Dasa, you know what I mean? So we want the part 4 of my independence. So if you want to see it, make a link, donate something towards it financially. Because that's the problem now. But a nice place to live. Sweet jam down. You know the problem is dollars now run. Rough and tough. But we out here do it said way. So big up to all of the sponsors them, all of the producers them, everybody in the world, all of the fans them, little kids them I call up on a daily basis. Big up on yourself, big up on the parents. Listen to the parents, be best you can. Tomorrow is gonna be a bright future. I don't go to a movie star. No fun I link with someone gonna movie. I try to set the platform. You take what I take and go do what I do. But I need to secure a place first where I can, you know, step to the next part, right? So we are 5 feet. So stay tuned while we put in the work, you know what I mean? Heights of great man, we're not attained by sudden flight. You know what I mean? So we do it every day. You know what I mean? Sit here. That's what my mother used to do it back in the days. That's how we learn how to put scale on the pot. I don't know if you don't know, so that's what we do it, yeah? Yeah? I look a super nice stir up. They say knives are going nice. Don't do that at home. Alright, burn it down to the ground. Out of my kitchen now. Come out of the kitchen now, yeah. When the food done, don't get some. Burn it down.